Leading ledger, company code. Here to total table, general ledger, enter. Next T2, non-leading ledger for company code. The 1. Here 2, enter. Same text, enter and save. Next, now define and activate non-leading ledgers. Same path. Now same error. Again you have to relaunch it, Sandeep.
Okay.
Still I think 3 topics are left. 1, 2. Segment, internal orders and distribution assignment cycle are there. Only 3 topics except this. With this 4 topics are left. Yeah, power off. Close. Now relaunch it again. Or shall we continue tomorrow or shall we do today only?
We can finish, ma'am. We can finish now.
Yeah, sure.
Still how many steps, ma'am?
Yeah, Sandeep, your voice is not audible.
Still how many steps, ma'am, there in this topic?
This topic, 9 steps are there.
Then okay, ma'am. We can see it tomorrow.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Ma'am, sir, Suresh sir told us to ask what SAP model should we include in our resume.
Sorry.
What which SAP model, ma'am, we should include in our resume?
SAP module.
Modules we should include in our resume, ma'am.
Oh, you're asking about resume,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, main topics are there, no? Wait, I'll show. In the resume, while you are preparing the resume means, wait, I'll show. Like GL account, creation of GL ledger accounting, document splitting, AP and AR, house bank. The colored parts are there, no? The color topics.
Okay, ma'am.
Except the organizational structure from the second topic, you need to mention.
Okay, ma'am.
Because these are the main topics we are discussing and we are mainly focusing, no? These are the main topics you need to mention there.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, then tomorrow we'll continue.
Okay, ma'am.
3 to 4 topics are left. At least tomorrow we'll finish it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.